Hello guys, how have you been? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adventure Sagas. For my subscribers, welcome back again. Today I just wanna welcome all you guys. Welcome to the channel again. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today I wanna show you my journey traveling from my rural town Kapsabet to Nairobi. Let's get along guys and see how I always travel from Kapsabet, my rural home, to Nairobi. I'm using a public means and you'll be able to see all the physical features, all the road networks, our vegetation and everything. Being a rainy season guys, we expect a lot of rainfalls along the way, so we should be moving slowly and careful so that we see how our roads are, because it is super slippery guys. Let's get along guys. Then welcome to the channel. Along the road guys, we had a heavy downpour. As you can see, the rains are very heavy and it's raining. The mist is super thick and we can see very far. So let's move slowly guys as we approach. It is raining, as you can see through the windshield. There's so much heavy downpour along the way guys. So it's El Nino time. As you remember last time I told you about the heavy rains, the El Nino. The excess rainfalls are here. Just see it guys. The scenery is good, the road is good, and we have the rainfall. So let's move slowly guys as we approach Timborua. This is Timborua area, so let's keep going guys. Highlighted, we have an accident along the way, so I just want to go closer and have a look at it. Let me show you guys something. There are so many trucks along the way. There's a tanker that has fallen down, a petroleum tanker, so it's dangerous. The police have arrived and all the road has been stopped, so the trucks are moving slowly. Check out guys there, I'll show you closely. Hello guys, we have an accident ahead. So the trucks are piling up, as you can see, all this way. These ones are trucks heading to Nairobi. All of them have been stopped by the police because of the accident that is ahead, guys. So we are watching over. The situation is, the police are in control, and the situation is being managed. So guys, I'm going to update you about the accident as the incident is being sorted out. So let's be careful, those ones who are on the road, and during these rainy seasons, because the roads are very slippery, guys. So let's get and see what's going to come out. Meanwhile guys, as we wait for the situation to be sorted out, let's be careful and await the police clearance, because the scene has been separated and we are waiting for the road to be open, guys. So let's be careful, let's be patient, guys, and see. The trucks are moving slowly, guys, as you can see. The police are in control. Let's get and see, guys. This is one of the buses that is coming from Nairobi. They are moving slowly because the road is slippery. So during this El Nino time, the roads are very rainy and slippery. It is being worsened by trucks that are moving and causing accidents, reckless driving. So guys, this is how the situation is. And we have been cleared, guys. We are moving back to our trucks. See, everybody's rushing. Well, from here, guys, we've been cleared by the police to move slowly. Only one lane is in operation, so we're moving slowly because it's super slippery. As you can see, we are approaching the accident scene. So the outer lane is the only lane that is being used. All the other two lanes have been stopped so that trucks can move on the one lane which has no oil spillage. So let's move. As you can see, that's a motorbike. I think they were rushing. Sometimes you find them rushing there to collect the fuel that has spilled. Let me hope he's not up to that. So we are moving slowly, guys. You can see the side, that is the truck, and the other side, that is the fire brigade van that fell down on the ditch. The NTSA, that is the National Transport Association, has arrived at the scene and in control. So I'm happy we've moved ahead, and as you can see, we've been cleared. Let's hope the other lanes will also be clear so that we can have a smooth movement of traffic to everyone to travel to his destination, guys. Let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep watching, guys. Watch the video from the beginning up to the end, guys. Very interesting stories, guys. Let's keep going. Welcome back, guys. We're still moving, as you can see. This is Sachangwan area. We are approaching after Molo, so you can see the road is so wide. The rain is still hitting hard, so let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving. As you can see, the road scenery is looking really beautiful. The clouds are closer. It's very cold. We're almost having snow falling. The one you are seeing is mists, tiny droplets of water along the way. So the road here has been separated by a thick stone. We used to have accidents along the area, so the government saw that it was necessary to separate lanes from the one heading to Nairobi and the other one heading to Nakuru. So guys, we are moving, we are hitting the bump, as you can see, moving slowly and really careful. As you can see the scenery, the wall is still separated, another bump. Yes, we are moving. The traffic is low here because on the other end it has been stopped. So as you can see, we are moving closer. We are moving downhill at a slow speed. We are hitting 40 kilometers. The speed is 40 kilometers per hour. We're moving downhill carefully and really carefully. You can see the road signs there. We are approaching Nakuru town within half an hour in Nakuru area. So we are moving. At least the roads are in good condition. As you can see, the road markings are clear. The lines are visible enough for the trucks even during rainy and during at night hours. So let's keep on moving, guys. Let's maneuver the corner slowly and slowly. Our driver is really approaching it and managing it slowly, guys. Let's keep going, guys. Hello guys, we're still moving. This is Adventure Sagas, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like it, share it to your friends, share a good comment. We're still moving slowly. The rails have stopped here, so the roads are very clear again. So we are moving slowly and slowly. We are approaching Nakuru town. Nakuru town is the third largest city in Kenya after Mombasa. So as you can see guys, we are moving slowly. The road is clear, the traffic is minimal on the road. The road is looking clear. You can see the sides, the residential areas. The sky is clear again. There is minimal rainfall again. So let's keep going guys, let's keep going guys. Please watch the video from the beginning to the end. There are good things, very nice sceneries along the way guys. Let's keep moving and moving. The trucks are moving, our roads are so good. As you can see guys, that is one of the PSV vehicles. We use them here. It's locally known as matatu guys. For those of you who are in Kenya, we call them matatu, from the a name from the ancient time. So we're moving clearly. Let's move on guys. Subscribe to the channel Adventure Sagas. Again guys, traveling from Kapsabet to Nairobi takes a minimum of 6 hours guys, so it's a long journey. It's 338 kilometers from Kapsabet to Nairobi. From Kapsabet to Nakuru is 200 kilometers. Then you continue along the way to Naivasha, which is also 200 kilometers. As we approach Naivasha, we left with 200 kilometers to Nairobi. That makes it 600 kilometers guys. So let's move guys, slowly and slowly. As you can see, the road is good. That one is a PSV vehicle. It's moving clearly. We are approaching Nakuru town. Nakuru town is the third largest city in Kenya. As you can see, this is the outskirts of Nakuru town. Welcome to Nakuru town guys. I have arrived at Nakuru. So we still have 200 kilometers to Nairobi. Let's keep moving guys. In a short time we'll be approaching Nakuru roundabout. So as you can see guys, we're moving and moving and moving. Keep watching the video guys. Subscribe it, like it and share it. And again, leave a sweet comment guys for us to read guys. Thank you. Here we move on guys. Again, from the look of above the sky, you can see the rains are collecting, the skies are darker again. That's an indication that we are having rainfalls ahead guys. Let me hope we'll have mild rainfalls. This is Nakuru town. As you can see, this is the main street of Nakuru, Nairobi Nakuru highway. As you can see, those are the buildings at the outskirts of Nakuru. Look at them. The famous jacaranda trees along Nakuru road. Those are the one you are able to see it at the streets. So the jacaranda trees have been there. They was planted by the ancient, the white people, and we still have them on the street guys. So as you can see, the streets are not congested. Today being a holiday, today is a tree planting day. It's a holiday, nationwide holiday here in Kenya. That's why you are not able to see more trucks on the road. People have gone to the forest to plant trees so that we have enough rainfalls, so that we refresh our environment, so that we're really taking good care of our environment guys. So we have embarked. The government has given us an holiday, so it's a tree planting day guys. Let's keep moving guys. So we are still moving, guys. As you can see, those are the pools of water. It has been raining here. The skies are white, clear. Those are the white clouds. It's an indication that rainfall falling down. So let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving. This is the Weybridge area. We are approaching the Weybridge area. We call it Gilgil. So as you can see, guys, we're moving. This area is a bit dry. So you can see from the side, we have the ranches, and we used to have wild animals alongside this area. It's a kind of savanna environment, dry shrubs, as you can see. As you can see, guys, alongside has been fence because we have wild animals on the sides. We have gazelles, we have the elephants, we have the giraffes, we have the wild cats, what we call them, warthog, alongside the road, guys. So let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving and moving and moving. Soon after this, we will approach Naivasha town. Naivasha town, also I show you the acacia trees. Naivasha town is really looking cool, looking environment. As you can see, we are exiting Gilgil Weybridge, guys. Let's keep moving and moving and moving. Further there, you can see the vegetation. The landscape is really looking amazing. You can see this is now Naivasha. At the side of the road, you can see the acacia trees, the green, special green acacia trees, guys. We have different species of acacia tree. The one on the roadside, the one you are seeing, are very, very beautiful. They are green acacia trees. Their tree trunks are also green. Some are yellowish and looking really beautiful. So I love the scenery, guys. As you can see, moving slowly, the grasses are growing. Our sceneries are really beautiful, guys. Visit our country so that you can see it for yourself. So alongside, this is the Delamere stretch. As we move in, we used to have a white man called Lord Delamere. He was here, and since he passed away, the land was sold to the local residents, guys. So let's keep moving. The acacia trees alongside the road are looking really good. Just watch them, follow me, guys. Beautiful scenery. Let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving. As you can see, guys. Welcome back again, guys. We are still on Naivasha stretch. We are almost over, guys. So let's keep moving. As you can see, it's still looking beautiful. It's looking nice. The sky is clear again. The sky is clear again. Let's keep moving. We have no worry of rainfalls again. Naivasha, the acacia trees are looking really beautiful. The road is looking beautiful. Let's keep going, guys. Follow me, follow us, guys. Just look at it. Everything is beautiful, guys. The scenery is really looking fine. The flora and the fauna, guys. Soon, guys, grasses, flowers will sprout because of the heavy rainfall, guys. So you can see the Maasai cows there. They're grazing them. So let's keep going. This is the environment, favors wild animals and indigenous cows, guys. So let's keep moving, guys, and stretching. Soon we are approaching Nairobi. So in 2 hours we'll be there. Let's keep moving. Keep me company, watch the video, subscribe, guys, share it. Be there on time, guys.
Westlands. Toka kwa stage hapo hapo. Kau sama juga. Kau safari tu, ada kan? Sasa buka lah musik. Musik kan orang-orang.